This is Mike Decker with the National Weather Service in San Angelo, Texas. This briefing is being updated around 11 a.m. Thursday, May 29th. There is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms late this afternoon through the night, but mainly between 6 p.m. and 3 a.m., with a marginal risk of excessive rainfall and flooding tonight. Otherwise, it'll be cooler temperatures Friday and Saturday with a warming trend, especially by Sunday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop mid and late afternoon across the Permian Basin, then move southeast into west central Texas between 5 and 7 p.m. There is a slight risk of severe thunderstorms across nearly all of west central Texas. The severe weather threats include very large hail up to baseball size and the potential for some hurricane force winds of 75 miles an hour, along with an isolated tornado threat. Heavy rainfall in short periods of time could produce flash flooding. Storms are expected to organize into a complex in the Permian Basin and then move southeast through the area and then mainly exiting west central Texas after 3 a.m. This is today's severe weather outlook. Again, no storms are expected. An isolated shower thunderstorm could develop late afternoon, mainly after 4 p.m. in the Big Country, but we're looking for the main complex of storms to be moving in from the Permian Basin, move southeast into west central Texas. These storms could be getting into Sweetwater, Sterling City, 7 to 8 p.m., maybe into San Angelo, Abilene, 9 to 10 p.m., and then as we get down to Brownwood, Brady, and Sonora, 11 p.m. or midnight area. Again, with this large complex of storms, some very large hail and damage winds are the main potential. Also, there's a potential for an isolated tornado. There's about 2% risk across most of west central Texas within a particular area of 25 miles. But there is a little bit enhanced little risk, about 5% as we get to Sweetwater and to Roby. So there's a little bit of especially in the evening hours, there's a little bit of that, little bit of enhanced risk of a tornado in that area. Otherwise, as this complex of storms moves through, there's some localized flooding problems, flash flooding problems are possible. This is the about marginal risk for flooding for overnight. Otherwise, we're looking for cooler temperatures Friday and Saturday, warming trend back into the lower 90s, however, by Sunday, and next week back into the lower to mid 90s, especially by Tuesday. Could see an isolated shower thunderstorms over the weekend, mainly down towards the Interstate 10 corridor, Northwest Hill Country, maybe Brady and El Dorado areas. Looks like otherwise fairly dry conditions are expected for the Concho Valley and Big Country. Overnight lows here, a little bit cooler this weekend in the 60s, but lower 70s come back for next week. For next week, we're going to continue those mid 90s across much of the area. Next week, isolated showers and thunderstorms are expected each day, pretty much, at least the potential for Monday into next Friday. And again, we're still in that severe weather period, so we still could see some severe thunderstorms next week. The 6 to 10 day outlook has above normal temperatures for west central Texas and slightly above precipitation amounts. For the drought monitor, the areas along the Interstate 10 corridor, Northwest Hill Country, and Brady and San Saba area are still in that moderate to even a little bit of severe drought there. But as we get into Concho Valley and up in the Big Country, we've gone looks like we're getting out of that drought conditions. The next update will be on Monday. This is a little bit off there. It should be Monday. Next Monday as our next expected weekly update. This has been Mike Decker with the National Weather Service, San Angelo, Texas.